Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. I'm going to take you on a walk from Jefferson Park on Beacon Hill in Seattle, Washington, to the SODO light rail station. Enjoy! Starting from the Beacon Hill light rail station, we'll use King County Metro's Route 36 bus to get to the Jefferson Park Community Center. Next, we'll walk from Jefferson Park to Columbian Way, then Airport Way to the old Rainier Brewery, and eventually the SODO Trail to the SODO light rail station. We'll use the one line of the light rail to return to Beacon Hill.
Thank you.
Jefferson Park is Beacon Hill's premier park, offering views of downtown Seattle and Puget Sound. It has an athletic field built over an active 50 million gallon reservoir. The Beacon Food Forest is the largest public food forest in the country. This chunk missing from the side of Beacon Hill is not natural. It was created back in 1901 when Eugene Semple attempted to dig a canal through the hill to connect the Duwamish River with Lake Washington. He made it to Beacon Hill, but no farther. The sidewalk continues around the freeway on-ramps and off-ramps, using a few sets of stairways. Walking past the old Rainier Brewery, the R atop the building is not the original one. The original R was repurposed and can now be seen on the side of the Sound Transit Operations and Maintenance Facility across from Airport Way. We'll walk west along Forest Street, next to the elevated light rail tracks. At the end of Forest Street, we reached the SODO Trail and SODO Track, a 2-mile-long corridor of art murals. We finish our walk at the SODO light rail station, where we'll take the 1 line back to Beacon Hill. Thank you for joining me on this walk in Seattle, Washington. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.